Hey there, I'm Corina from Triumph Business Solutions, and I'd like to introduce you to our Facebook posting service for businesses who just don't have the time. Did you know that Facebook is now the number one place people turn to when looking for a reliable company with social proof? And that's good news because you already have a Facebook page. But here's the catch. Facebook gives priority to showing the pages of businesses that are active pages. Enter Facebook. Active means a new post every day. So when was the last time you posted on your Facebook page? In other words, if you're not posting to your Facebook business page every day, potential customers probably aren't going to see your page when they do their search. And that means a loss of income for your business. Your business needs a new post every day on Facebook. But how do you do it when you're busy taking care of your current customers and meeting with prospective customers? At Triumph Business Solutions, we'll keep your Facebook page current by posting informative tips and suggestions to your Facebook page every morning. If you want your potential customers to see your Facebook page instead of your competitor's Facebook page, then give me a call and I will get your Facebook posting service up and running within 2 days. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.